Hey guys, it's Colin from bashbackpain.com here, another video for you folks. Listen, today I want to talk a little bit about spondylolisthesis. Somebody in the comments said, hey Colin, do you have any stretches for that particular problem? So what is spondylolisthesis? We can actually have two types. Essentially what it is, it's where one of your vertebrae has shifted either anteriorly, forward, or posteriorly, backwards, okay? If it's moved backwards, it's called retrolisthesis. If it's shifted forwards, like towards your stomach, for example, it's called anterolisthesis. Now, today I'm going to talk about retrolisthesis. That's actually what I have myself. It's where my lower lumbar vertebra, L5, was actually shifted backwards. Now, this could have happened, I was born with it, something that's genetically passed on. It could have been from, an accident when you're younger, or an acute accident, even, a car crash or something like that. But it does predispose people, especially in retrolisthesis, to more chance of a disc herniation, which is I had at that region, along with other regions. So it is necessary, if you've got that issue, that you know some good ways to help, alleviate pain and to stretch that region. So today I'm going to only look at retrolisthesis, which is whereby the vertebra has shifted backwards. Okay, it's going backwards, away from the stomach, away from your belly button, backwards. Now I'm going to use a model for this. My friend Kirsty is going to come into shot just to demonstrate how we're going to do this particular exercise. Hey Kirst. So now Kirsty's going to lie down. Now we're going to show this on the floor first, just so you understand the mechanism and the mechanics behind it, but the actual stretch itself takes place against the wall, all right? So it's just to show you the mechanics behind it, then we're going to shift to the wall. So first thing, bend both knees for me, Kirst. Yep, maybe a little bit further out. Okay, there we go. So the lumbar spine, lower back, is going to be held on the floor, squashed on the floor. A good way to cue this is if you do a big, as you can see, you do a big belly breath, so take a deep breath in and push your stomach into my hand. When you breathe out, you imagine the belly button is going all the way through and squashing this lower back onto the floor. So squash my fingers, perfect, okay? And you keep that lower back fixed, right, on the floor, okay? You can still breathe naturally, you're not going to be under any constant tension. You just try to keep that lower back fixed on the floor. Now, when it's fixed, what happens with the legs? All right, we're going to imagine the ankles are rolling in. They're rolling in like so. At the same time, the knees are going to be going out. So you're actually going to have an opposite effect. So nothing will actually move because one counters the other. But you imagine you're putting the instep of your foot rolled in and the knee out. So you get this kind of constant tension, but nothing actually moves. That's going to happen in both legs, right? At the same time as that's going on, you're going to activate the quads, and you're going to imagine if your legs are pushing away from you, okay? But it's going to be a static contraction in that nothing will actually move. So activate the quads, Kirst, like you're trying to push away. Yep, perfect. Okay, relaxing me. That's the lower body. I will talk about it again. Don't worry, it was too fast for you. The arms. Going to bring our hands up, okay? Palms face each other. Pull your fingers back, okay? Thumbs are pointing backwards. She's going to bring them down towards the ground like so. Perfect. Now, when she does the stretch for real, she's going to be projecting the arms away from the body. We're going to create constant tension. So arms are going to be pushing this way. She's going to be relaxing her head. She's going to be activating the quads as if they're going to be pushing away. And of course, the knee goes out, inner foot comes in, and lower back pulled on the floor. Okay, relax for me now. So that was just to show you the mechanics of the stretch on the ground. Now we're going to do the stretch for real against the wall. So Kirst, I'm just going to move, jump off for a quick second. I'm going to move this mat around here so you get something to lie on. All right, so, okay Kirst, down you come. So this is how we do the stretch for retrolisthesis for real, all right? So she's going to get in as far as she can. If you can get your bum on the floor, that's great. If not, it's okay. It's always your individual maximum, these stretches, all right? So Kirst, pop your feet up on the wall for me. Yup. Can you get any closer? Can you get your bum all the way in? Let's see how she is. If a person's got tight hamstrings, you might start the bum start to lift, the bottom start to lift. If that happens, just back up a little bit till the lower back stays on the floor and the tailbone stays on the floor, okay? So, yeah, still on the floor, perfect. Put that width, shoulder width apart. Okay, so step one, lower back pulled on the floor. How do we cue it? Big belly breath in, push my hand. As she breathes out, as you breathe out, push the belly button, perfect, on the floor, nice. I can feel my fingers are squashed in there, perfect job. Step two, we're going to be thinking knees are going out. And the ankles are rolling in. So you have this motion here. Nothing will actually move, but it does provide constant tension. Next step, the arms. Palms face each other. Fingers back. Thumbs facing you guys, facing the back. Down she goes with the arms, down she goes, down she goes. She holds that position. Now, to put the stretch into motion fully, we start. We push the arms away, project the arms away. Good, keep that constant tension. She breathes naturally, relaxes the face. You want to activate the quads first. Imagine your feet are trying to push up the wall, okay? Quads, yeah, perfect. You push up, and that's all it is. Activate the quads, keep the lower back squashed on the floor, push the arms away, keep going, keep going. You want to start with roughly 20 to 30 seconds, 3 times a day. Okay, try to add on 5 seconds every second day, work up to 1 minute, okay? Squash on the floor, push away, keep the fingers back, very nice. Fingers back, keep going. Activate the quads as if you're pushing, trying to get those legs up the wall, but they don't move because it's a static contraction. Keep going, and relax slowly. Perfect job, good. So that is for retrolisthesis, to help try, okay, to take the vertebra back to being forward again, back into that position where it should be, all right? A couple of weeks' time, there'll be one for anterolisthesis, which is where the vertebra has shifted forward, okay? Guys, listen, if you've enjoyed the video, please like and share it. Any questions, any problems, hit me up in the comments down below. And if you are struggling with your lower back pain, sciatica pain yourself, go and check out my 21-day course. It's coming up very, very soon. Check it out, sign up, and get better soon. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.